friends! I'm Zuri, and Captain Ember thinks he gets to choose where we're traveling today.
Of course! It never does that. Zuri! I think the world moved! I don't think we're home anymore.
Friends, can you guess where the magical globe brought us?
I know exactly where we are. The biggest beach in the whole world! That's the strangest beach I've ever seen.
Let's look for clues together. What do you see? Can you guess the country now?
Ooh! I know! It's Sahara City!
Nope. We're in Egypt!
Yep, I planned that.
That was a great stop.
Don't tell anyone it was an accident.
Hi, I'm Zuri. I'm Layla. Welcome to Egypt.
Who built those giant pointy mountains?
They're pyramids. My grandparents told me they were built a very long time ago. Wow, they've been standing here for thousands of years.
Thousands of years? So they're older than my favorite snack?
Let's race to the pyramid!
You two have no chance. I meant to do that.
These are called hieroglyphs. Long ago, people used them to write stories. Wow! It's like reading a picture book made of stone.
I can read it. It says, "Free cookies this way."
Nope. Friends, can you spot the bird carved on the wall?
I found it! I'll protect everybody! Ah! Treasure!
Wait.
Oops. Where are the cookies?
These treasures help us learn about ancient Egypt. Friends, which treasure would you look at first?
I think the treasure chose me. Maybe I did find a snack. Wait! Cookie.
I knew Egypt liked snacks. Today we explored amazing pyramids. We met our new friend Layla. Egypt is full of incredible history. It makes me wonder, where should we explore next?
Oh no! Not again!
Ask a grown-up to subscribe to Zuri's Learning World, and we'll explore another amazing country together.
Bye, friends!